Hey, when your sweet tooth hits, reach for a high protein treat. You're looking at protein cookies that are so tasty, I'm told you won't be able to have just one. Amy Hackamack joins us, sharing her recipe for peanut butter protein cookies. It's great to meet you. Great to have you.
Thanks for having me.
So this cookie doesn't have to be an indulgence. It can be a protein-packed smart snack.
That's right. Yeah, I use oats instead of flour, and I add a little bit of collagen powder, which adds a little bit of protein.
Hold on, collagen to our cookies?
Yep, you can't taste it, I promise. I know it always makes people nervous when I tell them that, but collagen is awesome because it dissolves really well, it blends really well. I add it to my smoothies, I add it to everything that I bake because it just gives you a little extra added protein and health benefit, so I just figure why not.
It's funny, you're like the fifth girlfriend in the last week I've talked to who has brought up collagen in a conversation. It's kind of the buzz right now, right?
It is,
the Costco collagen, now we have collagen in our cookies.
Yep.
It's what we're thinking about right now. Okay, well kick us off. How do we start this cookie?
So we're gonna start with our wet ingredients. So we're gonna start with some yummy peanut butter.
Which already has protein.
Yes,
a good amount.
Yeah, there's some good protein in there. And so
That's always what I tell myself when I snack on protein.
Yes.
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter is so good.
My mom's addicted to peanut butter M&Ms, and she always would say that's how she gets her protein.
I love that. So we're gonna add our peanut butter, and then I like to use pure maple syrup as a sweetener.
Oh, okay.
Instead of just regular sugar. A little more added vitamins and minerals in there.
Good job.
And then we're gonna add 1 egg.
Okay.
And a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we're just gonna mix that up.
Okay.
And this recipe is so easy, you don't even need a mixer.
Keeping it simple.
You can just use a spoon or a spatula.
Work
but
that egg around.
we basically just wanna get that egg nice and mixed in. You can kind of get a nice arm workout while you're making your cookies.
And is this your recipe?
Yes.
Awesome.
Yes. Okay, so that's all nice and mixed. And now we're gonna add our dry ingredients. We're gonna add 1/2 cup of oats.
Okay.
You can use quick or just regular oats. And then now we're gonna add our collagen.
Here it comes. Here it comes.
You won't even know it's there.
Do you tell people after they start eating your cookies, hey, by the way, guess what?
Yeah, I don't tell them before. Just like, here's a cookie.
Oh, I do it to my kids all the time.
Yes. Then we're just gonna mix that all together. The dough will be pretty sticky.
Okay.
That's fine. That's normal.
Don't panic.
Don't panic.
Your collagen cookies will still taste great.
They will bake up quite nicely. Okay. And now the best part, we're gonna add our dark chocolate chips.
Here it comes.
You can use any type of chocolate chip you want, but
I was gonna say, dark chocolate I know carries the health benefits,
yes,
right?
I like dark chocolate for the antioxidants. I just think it tastes the best, but that's just my preference.
You're talking to a milk chocolate girl. I'll come up to your level for this one, I will.
I bet milk chocolate would also be delightful.
I mean, not the same antioxidant count, but okay.
But still delicious.
Yeah.
All right, so now that's all mixed together.
Okay.
And now we're gonna just spoon them on a cookie sheet. I like to use the scoopers, just a little less messy because it is kind of a sticky dough.
Kind of feels powerful when you flick the handle like that, right?
Yes.
Like the cookie control is right in my hand.
That's right. And then I'll just scoop a few here.
Yeah, what do we bake this at?
We're gonna bake it at 350 for about 10 minutes.
Okay, and after they come out of the oven, you say there's a step we should not skip.
So after they come out of the oven, you could probably do it before too, is just add just a tiny bit of sea salt right on top. I used to think that was so extra, but it really does make a big difference.
I was telling you during the commercial break, we had a picnic, kind of a neighborhood little shindig at the local park, and we pulled out the tried and true Chips Ahoy. I don't want to offend your protein cookies, but the chewy Chips Ahoy. And as I was eating it, I was like, this needs sea salt. Like we've come to expect it almost, right?
Yeah,
and our little treats
it does make a difference.
Fixes. Thank you so much. A great recipe. You've been generous enough to share with us, and as promised, you're going to want 2. So make a double batch if you set out to do so. The recipe's on our website. Where can we get more recipe ideas from you?
Yeah, so you can get this recipe and more on my website. It's fitandwellblog.com.
Okay.
Yep.
Fitandwellblog.com. We'll link you over from the recipe page on our website too for an easy connection point. Great job. Thank you so much. Studio5.ksl.com is where you go for recipes and website links too. We try to hook you up with all the information you're going to want after the show.